Hey guys, it's finally happening. The Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus are in full development phase, and so far we know that they're going to be the first to have Snapdragon 845 processor, first Galaxy S series phones to have 6 gigs of RAM, and latest ISOCELL camera sensors that Samsung recently revealed with 12 megapixel plus 24 megapixel possible combination. And now a new report that has gone live moments ago on sammobile.com shows a patent which reveals Galaxy S9's killer signature feature. A feature that will make it the first phone in the industry to have it. And yes, I'm talking about an in-display fingerprint scanner. Seems like Samsung has found a way to put the sensor under the display without the display brightness issues. According to the documentation, there is a small circular cutout or recess, or you can even say it's a small notch right at the bottom of the display, kind of like the Essential phone, which is separated from the main screen. Again, it's a small circular display notch right where you expect a home button. So pretty much here you would find a small circular display notch for an in-display fingerprint scanner. It could also have a Force Touch home button implementation that the current Galaxy S8 family has, where user will hot press the display and the phone will read the fingerprint. And in the same way, it can also act as a home button. This is very clever as the fingerprint area is kind of separated from the main display, so it won't interfere with that. Because previously Samsung faced the brightness issues. The point where the fingerprint scanner was, it had more brightness compared to the other part of the display. So now it's actually going to be separated so that it won't be interfering with the main display. Now a lot of people don't like the notch design of the iPhone X, so Samsung had that notch design in works for the Galaxy S8. There's a patent from 2016 that shows a notch design for the Galaxy S8 before the iPhone X, but it didn't happen. But still, they had that concept and they are implementing that for incorporating a fingerprint scanner on the front. This is a great news. We have heard that manufacturers are moving to 3D facial scanner system just like Apple, but Samsung, they haven't given up on the idea of having an in-display fingerprint scanner. Of course, along with the fingerprint scanner, you will get facial and iris scanner as well. Now, of course, facial scanner won't be as good as the scanner on the iPhone because it's not going to be 3D, but still, something is better than nothing. Because the fingerprint scanner is going in display, this will create more space on the back for a better design and a better spacing for the camera. Guys, I'm just glad that this is happening. Like seriously, even if Face ID is the future, using a facial scanner, lifting your phone up every single time might not be totally comfortable like a fingerprint scanner. Again, let me know what you guys think about this. Is this exciting? Would you prefer an in-display fingerprint scanner over the 3D facial scanner? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.